Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, currently staying at the Resorts Hotel and Casino. Gonna head over to Dave & Buster's. They just opened a couple days ago. Gonna hop on the jitney, head on down there, bring you guys along with me. Come on, let's go. Seems like whenever I need a jitney, it's like 2 minutes away. I guess I'm always lucky like that. I buy my jitney tickets by the book. They're cheaper that way, and I always keep them in my backpack or my camera bag. They're very convenient. So I got off at the jitney right here at Caesars. The boardwalk is 1 block behind me, and Dave & Buster's is 1 block inland. So walking distance from Caesars and pretty much Bally's and other places here along the Atlantic City boardwalk. A lot of you have already asked about Dave & Buster's as far as parking, and while we have this huge parking lot left over from the Trump Plaza, which used to stand right behind me, that empty lot, they've yet to use that parking garage, and parking spaces are worth a fortune here in Atlantic City, so maybe someday they'll open that up. But I think most of the people visiting Dave & Buster's will be actually staying at one of the hotels and casinos here in town, and parking is not going to be an issue because, well, you're already parked here in Atlantic City, so, and it is within walking distance. So let's head on over there and see what it looks like, shall we? So again, that Caesars Hotel and Casino behind me. This is the old Trump Plaza parking garage, which I think they use for buses. I'm not sure what really purpose this garage is serving right now, but again, a lot of wasted money and space. Right behind me is the Caesars parking garage, and right there is Dave & Buster's. So I don't think parking is an issue. You're gonna have to pay for it, of course, but I don't think it's an issue. So we're on Atlantic Avenue, which is 2 blocks up from the boardwalk. Right across the street is the Tanger Outlets. Just did a video here not too long ago on Atlantic Avenue. Walk the entire avenue if you want to check that video out. Some of the comments on that video were that Atlantic Avenue is not safe, and to that I say hogwash! Listen, if you've been mugged or shot at on Atlantic Avenue, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. If not, it's all hearsay. Let's go inside. First off, let me say I was very impressed with the quantity, size, and variety of the arcade games here at Dave & Buster's. It'll be interesting to see the impact Dave & Buster's has on the Showboat, which opened their arcade about 2 years ago. Showboat being located on the northern end of the boardwalk, and Dave & Buster's more centrally located, but they've got Tropicana within walking distance, as well as Caesars and Bally's, while Showboat has resorts, Hard Rock, and Ocean as well. Not to be left out, Harrah's on the marina side of town opened up a arcade as well. I've already been there, recorded a video that should be coming up here shortly on the New York channel. Lots of arcades, lots of family entertainment coming here to Atlantic City. And in case you're wondering, I am visiting off-season on a weekday at around 4 o'clock. So it's going to be a little quiet in here, but actually I was quite amazed at how busy the food section in the bar was. As of this upload, Dave & Buster's is open Friday and Saturday until 1 o'clock in the morning, and all the other days of the week until midnight. I want to thank everyone who's subscribed to the New York channel. I do appreciate it. It does help the channel out, but I see you. That's right, you. Watching this video, you're not subscribed. You watch all my videos, but you're not subscribed. What's with that? Just click on that subscribe button. It's pretty cheap. As a matter of fact, it's free. And it does help the channel out. As a matter of fact, if you're enjoying this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thanks. we're going to head over to the bar area as well as the food service area. Again, it was kind of busy considering, again, it was a weekday here at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Most restaurants and bars are quiet during that time. However, I will say when I do my Super Bowl video, I probably will stop in here, not just visit all the hotels and casinos on the boardwalk, but stop in here at Dave & Buster's and see what kind of Super Bowl business they're going to be doing. That should be interesting. I'm looking forward to that Super Bowl video. I do it every year, and I've been thinking about it for the past several months, so really looking forward to it. I'll place a bet on my phone during that Super Bowl video just to make it even more exciting. The menu here at Dave & Buster's is your standard sports bar fare, but they have a good variety of food. They also have like a $5 thing going on here. They have $5 bites, they have a $5 happy hour, and they also have a $5 late night happy hour. I've been into late night happy hours lately. I will say, knowing that Caesars is just a few yards away and they really have no options as far as casual restaurants, I see some of those people coming over here for some good value food and drink. I do plan on returning shortly and ordering several of those $5 bites. They sound interesting, and I'll bring them to you on my Jersey Jeff Eats channel in the near future. Years ago, I worked for a company who held a corporate team building event at a Dave & Buster's. Obviously not this one, but what they did was they actually made arrangements to make sure all these arcade games were free as well as an open bar, so that was pretty cool. I'm sure if you're throwing some kind of an event, they can make the same arrangements as well. I always thought Deal or No Deal would make a great, real casino game. I'll pick model number 3. Have you seen the newest Willy Wonka movie? Quite honestly, I've never seen the original. I'm ashamed of myself. Don't forget to hit that thanks button underneath the video, and you'll not only support the New York channel, but you'll also get a shout out on an upcoming video. Alrighty, let's check out the food and bar area. The food looked really good, it smelled good. I'm gonna obviously stop off there for a bite sometime in the near future. That video will probably be on my other channel, Jersey Jeff Eats, but I'm looking forward to going back and really enjoying myself as far as food and playing a couple of games. Hope you enjoyed Dave & Buster's. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. Take care. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.